Okay, let's learn to strum an E chord. Now to play it, we're going to need to hold 3 notes down. We'll start with the middle finger on fret 2 of the second thickest string. Normally you play right up against the fret, but here we'll need to move back a little bit to make room for the next finger. And that's going to be the ring finger, also on fret 2, but on the next string down, the third thickest one. And we'll finish with the index finger on fret 1 of the next string down. That's the third thinnest string. Now to play the chord, we need to brush the pick across all the strings using what's called a strum. Now notice this is different to picking position, where we rest on the bridge of the guitar to help you aim for specific strings. Here your hand is floating above the guitar with a nice relaxed brushing movement across all the strings. Now you might be noticing a few dead notes in there when you play it that aren't ringing out properly. Now this is usually about playing right up on your fingertips so you don't accidentally touch any other strings. Now to check which ones are working, try picking each string one at a time, fixing any dead notes as you go. Normally this third thinnest string, the one held by your index finger, is going to be the hardest one to get, so pay extra attention to that one. Now if you keep getting some dead notes at first, don't worry, that's completely normal. Just a few good notes is fine for now, and if you keep working at it, it'll get perfect with practice. Okay, so when you're learning an E chord, remember to play right up on your fingertips and to check the strings one at a time to make sure they're ringing out nicely. All right, let's go play.